അതിലേക്കുള്ള ശ്രേഷ്ഠമായ മാർഗവും ശ്രീ ഭഗവാൻ തന്നെ നമുക്ക് അരുളിത്തരുന്നത് ശ്രദ്ധിക്കാം.
The World Oneness Day shall bring about an end to human suffering. It shall also mark man's liberation from the human mind. The human mind is a very ancient mind, and it is the one mind. It has been so for the last 2 million years. It's important that you realize that we cannot transform the mind, but we could become free of the mind. Such a thing is going to start today. The Diksha will bring about a new generation of human beings with a new outlook and a new sense of being world citizens, concerned with everything living on earth. It is your grave responsibility to make this happen. Amma and Bhagavan would be giving you a very special Diksha with which your consciousness would rise to such levels that you yourself would become Amma Bhagavan. Once you become Amma Bhagavan, you would be free of the tyranny of the human mind. What you would experience thereafter is unconditional love, limitless joy, and oneness. You are going to make this happen. We are going to give you this power today, and you are going to make this happen. And we are going to see the birth of a new age. So we will be starting the Diksha very soon after Amma has spoken in Telugu. Thank you so much. Thank you all very, very much. We feel completely one with you. You are in us, we are in you. You are Amma Bhagavan, we are Amma Bhagavan. We will become one. There will be no more separation between you and us, starting from this moment. It will snowball itself. So we will start very soon.
ദിവ്യ അവതാരമൂർത്തിയായ ശ്രീ അമ്മ നമ്മോട് സംസാരിക്കുന്നു.
మిమ్మల్ని అందరినీ చూస్తూ ఉంటే ఆనందంలో ఏ మాటలు రావటం లేదు. ఈరోజు లోకానికి అంతటికి గొప్ప పర్వదినం. లోకోద్ధారణకు ప్రారంభం. మీరందరూ ఎక్కడెక్కడో జన్మించిన అమ్మా భగవానుల బిడ్డలు ఈరోజు మా చెంతకు తీసుకొని వచ్చాము. మీరు ఎప్పుడు గతాన్ని తలుచుకుంటూ అయ్యో మా ఆలోచనలు సరిలేదే, మా ప్రవర్తన సరిలేదే, నిజంగానే మా లోపల అమ్మా భగవాన్ యొక్క అనుగ్రహం వస్తుందా, మేము అమ్మా భగవాన్ లాగా అయిపోతామా అని ఎప్పుడు దుఃఖిస్తూనే ఉంటారు. బ్రతుకుల పోరాటంలో అమాయకత్వము, ప్రేమలు, విలువలు లేకుండా పోతున్నాయి. మీ పరిస్థితి మీదంతా నాకు బాగా తెలుసు. తప్పకుండా మిమ్మల్ని అందరినీ అమ్మా భగవాన్లో అయిపోలా ఇక్కడే ఈ క్షణంలో చేసేస్తాము. మీ లోపల అమ్మా భగవాను వచ్చిన వెంటనే ప్రతి వ్యక్తి లోపల అమ్మా భగవాన్ని చూడగలిగే శక్తిని ఇస్తాము. ఆ తర్వాత మీరు ప్రతి ఒక్క జీవరాశిని, ప్రతి ఒక్క ఆత్మను ప్రేమించగలుగుతారు. అటువంటి అనుగ్రహాన్ని ప్రసాదిస్తాము. ఆ తర్వాత మీ లోపల దీక్షాశక్తి అభివృద్ధి అయ్యేలా చేస్తాము. మీ ద్వారా లోకానికి అంతటికీ ముక్తుల్ని ప్రసాదిస్తాము. మీరే దీక్షలు ఇచ్చి ముక్తులని చేసేస్తారు. మీ ద్వారానే లోకమంతా ముక్తులు అయిపోతారు. ఇదే స్వర్ణయుగానికి ప్రారంభం. మీతోనే అమ్మా భగవాను వచ్చేస్తున్నాము. మీ లోపలనే ఉంటాము.
ലോക നന്മയ്ക്കായി ശ്രീ അമ്മയും ഭഗവാനും ഇതാ ധ്യാന നിരതരാകുന്നു. ദൈവിക സാന്നിധ്യം ഇവിടെ വ്യാപിക്കുന്നു. കരുണാമൂർത്തികളായ ശ്രീ അമ്മയും ശ്രീ ഭഗവാനും നമ്മുടെ കൺമുന്നിലുള്ളപ്പോൾ എന്തിനാണ് നാം ദുഃഖിക്കേണ്ടത്? ശ്രീ അമ്മ ഭഗവാന്റെ കീർത്തനങ്ങൾ തുടർന്നും ഒഴുകിയെത്തുന്നു. അത് ലോകം മുഴുവനും ഒഴുകിയെത്തും. എത്രമാത്രം കേട്ടാലും മതിവരാത്ത മധുരമായ കീർത്തനങ്ങൾ.
श्रीशेषशैलसुनिकेतन दिव्यमूर्ते नारायणाच्युत हरे नलिनायताक्ष लीलाकटाक्ष परिरक्षित सर्वलोक श्रीवेङ्कटेश मम देहि करा.
ശ്രീ അമ്മ ഭഗവാൻ അനുഗ്രഹിച്ചു നൽകുന്ന ദീക്ഷ ഇപ്പോൾ ആരംഭിക്കും. ഇത് പ്രാർത്ഥനാ സമയം. ശ്രീ അമ്മ ഭഗവാന്റെ പാതാരവിന്ദങ്ങളിൽ നമസ്കരിച്ച് നമുക്ക് ധ്യാനിക്കാം. ഓരോരുത്തർക്കും വണ്ണസ്തേ ദീക്ഷ നൽകുന്ന പുണ്യമുഹൂർത്തം. ഭക്തരുടെ ഉള്ളം പുഷ്പവനം പോലെ മാറുന്നു.
വന്ദ്യം സദാനന്ദം വാസുദേവം നിരഞ്ജനം വന്ദേ വന്ദേ. ഭുജഗശയനം പദ്മനാഭം സുരേശം വിശ്വാധാരം ഗഗനസദൃശം മേഘവർണം ശുഭാംഗം വിശ്വാധാരം ഗഗനസദൃശം മേഘവർണം ശുഭാംഗം സദാനന്ദം വാസുദേവം നിരഞ്ജനം വന്ദേ 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 വന്ദേ. നാരായണ നമോ നാരായണ നാരായണ നമോ നാരായണ.
ശ്രീ അമ്മ ഭഗവാൻ